In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question to a seller on eBay. If you found an item you like but want to confirm a detail, maybe the condition, shipping time, or whether a specific accessory is included, sending a quick message to the seller is the best way to avoid surprises. I'll walk you through the simple process and share a few tips so you get a helpful reply the first time. Start on the item's listing page. Look for the seller section, Yasampe section, usually near the top, right on desktop, or below the photos on mobile. There you'll see an option labeled Contact Seller. Click it. If eBay asks you to sign in, go ahead and do that. In some cases, you might be prompted to choose a topic that best matches your question, like item details or shipping. Pick the closest match. It helps route your message correctly and can speed up the response. Next, type your question. Keep it clear, polite, and specific. Mention the exact detail you need, such as the model variant, color, serial, or part compatibility, or the date code visible in the photos. If you're asking about condition, reference what you see, like a scratch in image 3, so the seller knows exactly what you mean. For shipping, include your country or zip code and ask about carriers, handling time, and whether combined shipping or local pickup is available if that matters to you. If the listing has variations, tell the seller which option you're considering. Avoid sharing personal contact information. Keeping the conversation within eBay protects both you and the seller. Before sending, read your message once more to make sure it's concise and free of typos. Clear questions get clear answers. When you're ready, click Send Message. You'll see a confirmation and your note will appear in your eBay messages. Sellers typically reply within a business day, but timing can vary. You can check back from your account's messages section and you'll often get an email or app notification when there's a response. If the seller asks for clarification, reply in the same thread so the full context stays together. Once you have the information you need, you can proceed confidently with your purchase or keep browsing. That's all there is to it. Find Contact Seller, type your question thoughtfully, and send your message. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.